So the biggest challenge for me in this pregnancy was thyroid imbalance. So the thyroid got detected to me like since lot of years long back, and I have been trying with allopathy. I've been trying with Ayurvedic medicines, with different medications to get rid of this, but nothing worked much. So in pregnancy also, I have been going through pills to balance my thyroid.
How was this challenge affecting you in your pregnancy?
Obviously, yes, it was affecting me a lot. It was affecting me mentally. Mentally, I was low. Emotionally, I was completely down, and physically, I was with a lot of low energy. I have heard from the doctors as well. This thyroid imbalance leads to baby's growth. It affects the baby's growth. Then it affects, it may lead to preterm deliveries, or it may affect. It may lead to miscarriages. So all these three things were going into my mind, and I was already stressed out, and I was not enjoying my pregnancy. It was like I was going through a lot of stress. So that was a very bad pregnancy experience.
So then what made you join My Wonderful Pregnancy?
Obviously, I just wanted to get rid of this thyroid imbalances, and so I have heard about I have heard about you. I have heard about MyWP program and the real natural holistic program, holistic approach which this MyWP is being following. So I have heard about that, and I have also heard that this program helps to get rid of thyroid, reverse it completely using natural approaches. So that motivated me to join this program in my second month of pregnancy.
Okay, so Pooja, magic क्या हुआ?
मैजिक ये हुआ कि मेरा पूरा थायराइड रिवर्स हो गया. मेरी जो पिल थी जो सुबह सुबह मैं लेती थी वो पूरी बंद हो गई. तो मैंने ऐसा सुना था कि प्रेगनेंसी में अगर आप पिल लेते हो या फिर थायराइड अगर है आपको तो वो बढ़ेगा, कम किसी का होगा या फिर वो पूरा हट जाएगा. ये कभी नहीं सुना था मैंने, और मैंने पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस किया मेरे खुद के साथ. एंड दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ यू मैम. तो थैंक्स अ लॉट. ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू यू एंड MyWP प्रोग्राम. सो थैंक्स अ लॉट. या
पूजा, तुमने अपना थायराइड इम्बैलेंस रिवर्स किया, थायराइड पिल बंद हो गई. दैट इज द अमेजिंग मैजिक एंड आई हैव सीन यू गो थ्रू दैट. एनीथिंग एल्स?
जी मैम, डेफिनेटली बहुत सारे चेंजेस हुए. आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग वेरी एनर्जेटिक. रोज का योगा सेशंस होते थे. देन अगेन सेकंड थिंग इज लाइक मेरी स्किन पूरी ग्लो हो गई. आई वॉज फीलिंग लॉट ऑफ एंड ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी तक मैंने काम किया है. आई वर्क टिल एंड ऑफ माई प्रेगनेंसी. एंड 7th मंथ में जो लिक्विड रहता है बेबी के अराउंड, दैट वाज लाइक माइल्ड हाई था. तो वो भी मेरा नॉर्मल हो गया यूजिंग ऑल द नेचुरल अप्रोचेस. लाइक आई हैवंट टेकन एनी मेडिसिन्स और एनीथिंग. इट गॉट रिवर्स्ड. एंड लाइक एवरीवन इन माय फैमिली वर अमेज्ड बाय लुकिंग ऑल दिस रिजल्ट्स. एंड मेरा 9th एंड ऑफ द प्रेगनेंसी तक मेरे पैर स्वलन नहीं थे, कुछ भी सूजन विजन कुछ भी नहीं था. आई वॉज वॉकिंग नॉर्मली. आई वॉज गोइंग हियर एंड देयर. So all these amazing changes were there. I was experiencing in my entire pregnancy. So that was really a very happy and joyful pregnancy which I experienced due to this program.
And how was your delivery then?
Yes, and ऊपर वो बोलते ना cherry on the cake. So that was like my delivery was normal delivery. I had a normal delivery. That was a dream, all because of this program and the motivation which you gave me, ma'am, in my when I in the labor room. So, and one more thing I would like to add here is like in the labor room also, I was performing the labor positions which you taught in this program. So yes, so that itself was a big thing for me. So entire all this pregnancy experiences along with the delivery, that was amazing.